It's important to make friends at your local scrapyard. Check out what they saved for me. This is the base. Alright, so it's in here upside down. This is a fantastic little portable. It's Underwood, of course. Judging by the frame and the exposed ribbon, I'm going to say somewhere in the 30s or the 20s. It's definitely an older model. It looks like we have a few keys. I think the C's got problems. But the return works. That's good. Let's check these keys up here. We have combined letter and case keys. Wait, that means we don't have upper and lower case. Look at the... Yeah, uppercase. Oh, I have to have 3, so there's got to be a letter but figure. There it is. So there's a figure shift, and then a regular caps and lowercase. So it's 3 symbols per striker on this old Underwood. Wow, it supports 3-color ribbon. What a peach. And they saved it for me. I'm going to have fun cleaning this one up.